Good morning, students. Welcome to class. बच्चे in second standard we have started chapter addition. Okay, and we have done its labeling, addition facts, addition sums, its filling the blanks, and the last topic of this chapter is statement sums. Statement sums. बच्चे these statement sums are new for you. So you will listen, understand it very carefully. Right? Okay, बच्चे. Okay, in this a statement is given to us. Statement means few lines. Okay, sum is given in the form of few lines to us and we have to find its solution, its answer. Right? And we have to follow certain steps. हमें कुछ steps follow करने हैं. Right? I am going to tell you that steps. Step 1. When we start doing our statement sums, we have to do some steps, or we can say we have to keep some steps in our mind. So first step and very important step is read the given statement twice. Whatever the statement is given, जो भी statement हमें दी है, we have to read it twice. 2 times we have to read it. Right? Step 2. Understand its meaning. Then we will understand the meaning of the statement, like what is given in the statement, what we want to find out, right? और अगर ज़रूरत हो then you can underline the keywords. जो words आपको important लग रहे हैं, क्या given है और क्या find करना है, we can also underline the words, right? Third step, write the lines. After then we will start our solution. Clear? SOL means solution. In the solution, first of all, we write the lines. Because the statement is given in words, in lines, so we will also start this sum from the lines. हमें lines लिखनी है पहले. Then step 4, do calculation. Then we will calculate what we want to find out. Step 5, at last, in the end, write the answer line. We will write the आंसर लाइन और तभी हमारा जो सम है आर सम विल बी फिनिश्ड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट नाउ. ये पेज मैंने इधर रख दिया. सो वी विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पेज. राइट? फर्स्ट टाइम रीड द स्टेटमेंट ट्वाइस. सो ओके बच्चे, फोकस ऑन द स्टेटमेंट. स्टेटमेंट ए, सम नंबर ए इज देयर आर 25 गर्ल्स and 32 boys in a class. 25 girls, 32 boys are there in a class. Right? एक class में 25 girls है, 32 boys है. Next line, how many students are there in all? कि how many students are there in all? Clear? Now we will understand its meaning. I am going to read the statement again. There are 25 girls and 32 boys in a class. How many students are there in all? If I say कि there is a class, उसमें 25 girls हैं, 32 boys हैं. And now you tell me how many students are there in all? कि पूरे बच्चे कितने, सारे बच्चे कितने present हैं? Yes. How do we find it? We will find it by doing, yes, what we will do? Yes, we will add the number of students. हम इनको add करेंगे. Clear? If I say कि you have 3 toffees and someone has given you 2 more toffees, then how many toffees you have in all? It means 3 plus 2 is 5. You have 5 toffees. हमारे पास you have 5 toffees. In the same way, when we want to find out कि how many students या how many anything in all means टोटल, हमें टोटल फाइंड करना है. देन वी विल ऐड द गिवन नंबर्स. जो भी नंबर्स गिवन है वी विल ऐड द नंबर्स. चलो, स्टेप नंबर 2 इज डन. अंडरस्टैंड इट्स मीनिंग. स्टेप 3, राइट द लाइन्स. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट्स सॉल्यूशन बाय राइटिंग लाइन्स. सो इन द फर्स्ट लाइन, व्हाट वी विल राइट इन द फर्स्ट लाइन? वट एवर इज गिवन इन द फर्स्ट लाइन, जो भी फर्स्ट लाइन में गिवन है we will write the same in the first line. There are 25 girls. जो चीज़ें हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उनको हम कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं लिखने के लिए? नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स. Number of girls we can count na?